Hi everyone, it's Christina from Emotion Designs. We're going to show you how to press a hardboard MDF puzzle today. This is how the puzzle comes. It comes with a plastic wrap and a cardboard backing, and when you unwrap it, the puzzle pieces don't have a protective coating on them, so you don't have to worry about peeling each piece. I have one unwrapped here already on the press. You're going to want to keep the cardboard under the puzzle because it'll just make it easier to remove it, and yeah. So anyways, here's the picture I'm going to press, and I've got my puzzle on here already. So what I'm going to do is just tape the transfer right to the butcher paper so it doesn't move. It's getting away on me. Okay, so that's nice and flat. Okay, and we're going to press it at 385 for 45 seconds. Put your butcher paper on top. And oh, this is firm pressure. That felt harder to close after doing the aluminum. Yeah. This will only take 30 more seconds. We have lots of these in stock. We have, Mike, do you mind grabbing a couple things for me? The heart size puzzle and the larger one that's up against the wall there. We have three sizes of these. This is the smaller one, and it is 8.5 inches by 6 inches. And then we have the larger one, which is 30 pieces, and I don't have the exact measurement here, but I'll put it in the description. And then the heart-shaped ones. Those are really nice for gifts. There we go.
Brings out your romantic side?
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, so let's see how this turned out. If I can burn myself. My towel. Oh, that is so
Holy
beautiful.
crap. Oops.
Okay.
That's really
so,
nice.
I'm going to try and lift it up over here. I had one customer concerned about bleeding between the pieces. That does not happen. Can you see that
Yeah,
there?
that's beautiful. That's really, really nice.
To show you how vibrant
Oh my
it presses.
God.
Yeah, I'm very happy with this. So anyways, yes, I wanted to show you that, and I think that is it for today. Our next video is going to be on pressing flags, so yeah, tune in again. Talk to you soon.